Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art Palette. I am Priya and today in this video I am sharing a DIY decorative chowki. To make this DIY, take a plywood of rectangular shape and apply a single coat of gesso over it and let it dry for 12 hours. Make a design in the center of the wooden board with the help of stencil. Before using stencil, secure the stencil with the help of masking tape. When the golden color dried completely, apply a coat of varnish and let it dry for 1 or 2 hours. Now for the legs of the chowki, take 4 empty acrylic paint bottle and spray paint with golden color. Stick the bottle with the help of any strong adhesive. Here I am using Fevibond. If you enjoyed watching my video, then please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thanks for watching.